morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video ay i-share ko lang sa inyo guys yung pinakaunang cleansing brush na binili ko. Hindi ako nagamit ng any brushes to cleanse my skin. So I just use my hands para malinis yung skin ko. But today I wanted to try one. And nag-search ako sa YouTube. Nanood ako ng mga YouTube videos. Nag-research ako kung ano ba yung magandang cleansing brush na pwedeng gamitin. So, nakita ko tong cleansing brush na to sa Amazon, guys. And then, I read a lot of good reviews. Kaya, gusto ko siyang i-try. I bought this for $14. And plus tax and shipping, I think I paid like $21 all in all. Ito nga pala yung product, guys. Facial cleansing brush sets, natural skincare. This is how it looks like. And it claims here that this cleansing brush can promote skin systems. Professional home technologies can help your skin breathe, recovery, rehabilitation, and show better and more youthful skin. So we'll see kasi itatry natin siya today. Buksan muna natin guys kung ano yung itsura ng brush na to. Oh, sinasabi din pala dito sa likod guys na it helps remove sebum, remove cutin, remove flake, remove thin veins, improve skin elasticity, and prevent pimples. Or pimples. Sinsyahan nyo na guys kasi Bisaya kasi ito eh. Yung mga E. Ayan, tigas ng salita namin. So, oh, may kasama pa siyang ano guys. Oh, pampuyod. Diba? Ganito yung itsura sa loob guys. Ayan. Complete set na siya. Ito yung brush niya. Malaki. Pink na pink pa yung kulay. Which is I like naman kasi hindi naman siya sobrang bright pink. Light lang siya na pagka-pink. And yeah, mukhang smooth naman or soft yung brush niya. And this is the button here. Ito, nandyan yata yung lagayan pag china-charge mo siya. Ayan. Diyan mo siya i-hook. And then, may kasama po siyang sponge. Ayan, pink din. And then, extra brush. Ayan. Ayan siya. Oh, meron pala siyang lagayan, guys. Ito, oh. May lagayan siya kapag china-charge mo siyang ganyan siya. Ayan. Maganda na rin siya for $14, diba? And then, may kasama siyang charger, of course. Ayan. So, nandito sa loob ng box yung instruction niya. Ang sabi dito guys ay wet your face by warm water and also wet facial cleanser brush or sponge, then put moderate cleanser. On super soft brush or natural sponge, put the brush or sponge close to your face and begin a professional facial cleaning. The sponge head is used to clean the skin, absorb grease and dirt, makeup, and remover. So, pangtanggal pala siya ng makeup and then grease and you know, yung mga dumi sa mukha natin. And then yung brush head is suitable for the people of sensitive skin and dry skin. So, I think I'm gonna try the brush first. Kasi I have sensitive skin. Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano gamitin tong brush na to. And pasensya na kayo guys sa lighting dito sa bathroom. Medyo low quality talaga yung lighting. Anyway, try na natin. Sabi dun sa instruction ay basain muna yung brush bago gamitin. And then I use this cleanser guys. Foaming cleanser from Neutrogena. Kasi sobrang mild lang nito and hindi mahapdi sa skin ko. So, I just put a squeeze. Ayan, isang squeeze lang yung nilalagay ko. And then, sabi dito, I wet your face first. So, basain muna natin. So, warm water pala yung gamitin nyo guys. Ayan, wala, natuloy yung kilay ko. Anyway, try na natin. Sobrang smooth niya, guys. Oh, may 2-speed pala to. May mabilis and may mabagal. Or first time kong gumamit ng ganito. It really helps massage your skin and parang nakaka-relax siya, guys. Sobrang relaxing niya. Hindi naman nakalagay kung ilang minuto dapat gawin ng ganito. Yeah, sobrang soft ng brush. Hindi siya harsh sa skin. Ayan. And then, just prioritize natin yung forehead. Laging nagkakampimpuls dyan. Ayan guys, tap ko na siya. Finally, try na natin yung cleansing brush and ayan yung itsura ko. Ayan. Feel ko sobrang linis ng mukha ko. Sabi ko nga kanina, first time kong gumamit ng cleansing brush and it really makes a difference kung kamay lang yung gamitin mo. Ito talaga guys, it really helps you wax your skin and parang nakukuha talaga lahat ng dumi. Ayan. And yung brush niya hindi masyadong harsh. Sobrang smooth and soft niya sa skin. So, I think I like it guys. And for $14, I think it's worth it. And I will give you some update kung maganda pa rin pa siya next time na gagamitin ko siya. And I will try also the sponge. Kasi may sponge siyang kasama, diba? Anyway, yun lang yung ang video na to guys. And masasabi ko lang, nakaka-help talaga siya mag-massage ng skin and then nakaka-relax din siya at the same time. Anyway, thank you guys for watching and I will see you in my next one. Bye!